Chris, the CTO role is a tough role, and it's really changed dramatically over the past few years. It's not what it used to be. What are your thoughts here?
Not even close. It used to be about infrastructure, uptime, writing the stack, maybe doing some vendor reviews. Now the modern CTO is responsible for solving business problems using technology, not just managing the engineering team or the devs.
I hear this from investors too. They expect the CTO to be fluent in revenue impact, margin models, product usage, churn risk, not just the engineering system metrics.
Exactly, Steve. It's not about lines of code anymore. It's about the technology that drives the business forward. How fast can you pivot? Can you deliver outcomes, not just output?
And we've both seen CTOs who don't evolve. They get sidelined. Either the product leader ends up making all the big calls, or worse, they get replaced.
It happens all the time. If you're not a strategic voice in the room, you can't tie system architecture back to market fit or go-to-market motion. You're just a delivery manager with a fancy title.
So what does this new mandate look like in practice?
Well, Steve, you own the architecture, but you also own velocity. You own the hiring plan, but you also understand customer acquisition costs. You know what systems need to scale, but also how fast features convert. And you push back on bad product decisions because it's your job as the CTO to protect the roadmap.
So really the CTO has to bridge product, engineering, and finance?
Exactly. You're translating business needs into technical systems, and you're translating technical reality back to the boardroom. It's one of the hardest cross-functional roles there is, but it's also one of the most valuable when done right.
And that's where fractional CTOs can really help. Not every startup or even non-tech company has somebody who's worn all these hats. That doesn't mean they can afford to skip the role entirely.
Not every organization needs a full-time CTO with 20 years of experience on day one, but you do need access to that level of thinking, especially when your tech decisions are setting up for your next fundraise.
Well, if you can't explain how the tech helps your business grow, you shouldn't be in the CTO seat.
Exactly.